Hello, my name is David. I'm a professional tutor and technical leader from Cape Town, South Africa. I hold a Master of Commerce in Program Management and I've spent over 20 years working at the intersection of technology and business leadership. I'm a native English speaker and I'm also proficient in Afrikaans. In my career, I've held senior roles such as head of networks and project manager for global companies like Vodacom, Amdocs. I also have 4 years experience as lecturing electrical engineering at Norton College. This unique blend of academic and industry experience allows me to help you master both technical and communication skills needed in a corporate environment. My teaching approach is highly practical and student-centered. I don't just teach grammar. I usually use real-world scenarios and professional materials to ensure that you can apply what you have learned immediately in your workplace. Whether you're an engineer, a developer, or a manager, I tailor every session to your specific career roadmap. I am passionate about helping you bridge the gap between your technical expertise and your communication confidence. Thank you so much for watching my video. I look forward to meeting you soon. So book a trial lesson with me today and let's start reaching your professional goals together.